Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Genetics is like a blueprint for our bodies. It's what makes us unique, from our eye color to how tall we are. But how does it all work? In this video, we'll explore what genes are, how they influence us, and why they're so important. What are genes? Genes are tiny instructions inside every cell in your body. Think of them like little recipe cards that tell your body how to grow and function. You get half of your genes from your mom and half from your dad, which is why you might look like both of them. These genes determine things like your hair color, whether you can roll your tongue, and even some aspects of your personality. How do genes affect our looks? Have you ever wondered why you might have the same eye color as your parents or why you're tall or short? That's because your genes control these traits. Genes tell your body how to develop, and some are more powerful than others. For example, brown eyes are more common because the brown eye gene is stronger, or dominant, over the blue eye gene. Genes and health. Genes don't just decide what we look like, they also influence our health. Some people inherit genes that protect them from certain diseases, while others may get genes that make them more likely to develop conditions like diabetes or heart disease. However, just because you have certain genes doesn't mean you'll definitely get a disease. Lifestyle choices like healthy eating and exercise can make a big difference. How genes make us unique. Even though we share many of the same genes with other people, no two people have the exact same set of genes, except identical twins. That's why each of us is one of a kind. From your fingerprint to the shape of your ears, your genes make you different from everyone else, even your siblings. Genes are the secret code that makes us who we are, influencing everything from our appearance to our health. But remember, while genetics plays a big part, things like our environment, the food we eat, and how we live our lives also shape who we become. Isn't it amazing how something so small can have such a big impact on who we are? If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.